Coffee is one of the world's most widely consumed beverages, enjoyed by millions every day. But before it reaches your cup, coffee goes through a precise, multi-step production process that ensures quality, consistency, and efficiency. The process begins with coffee bean reception and cleaning. Freshly harvested coffee beans are delivered to the facility, where they undergo sorting and cleaning to remove unwanted materials such as dirt, stones, and defective beans. Advanced vibrating screens, density separators, and optical sorting machines ensure only the best beans proceed to the next stage. Once cleaned, the beans move to the roasting stage, which is critical in developing the coffee's flavor and aroma. Modern roasting machines use controlled heat, airflow, and timing to achieve the desired roast level, whether light, medium, or dark. Precise temperature control and real-time monitoring allow roasters to fine-tune the process for each coffee variety. After roasting, the beans must be cooled rapidly to preserve their quality and prevent over-roasting. This is done using air cooling or water quenching systems. The beans are then transported to grinding machines, where they are crushed to specific particle sizes. The grind size varies based on the intended brewing method, ranging from coarse grinds for French press to ultra-fine powder for espresso. The ground coffee then moves to blending and packaging. In some facilities, coffee is blended to achieve a consistent flavor profile by mixing different beans or roast levels. Automated packaging machines ensure the coffee is packed in airtight containers, preventing oxidation and preserving freshness. Throughout the production line, quality control systems play a crucial role. AI-powered cameras, sensors, and human inspection teams monitor every batch for defects, ensuring that the final product meets the highest industry standards. In addition to quality control, sustainability is a growing priority in coffee production. Many modern facilities incorporate energy-efficient roasting technology, water-saving cooling systems, and eco-friendly packaging to reduce environmental impact. From the moment coffee beans arrive at the facility to the final packaging process, each step is designed for efficiency and precision. This ensures that every cup of coffee delivers the rich flavor, freshness, and aroma that consumers expect.